If you've ever felt that sharp, nagging pain in your knees when you stand up, walk, or climb stairs, you're not alone. For millions of people over 50, knee pain isn't just an occasional annoyance. It's a daily battle that steals mobility, joy, and independence. What if I told you that the root of this suffering isn't just getting older or wear and tear, but something much simpler, and that the solution might be found in a small, easy change you make every single night? This isn't just wishful thinking or empty promises. Scientists and doctors have uncovered compelling evidence that eating a particular food before bed can actively help rebuild your joints, reduce inflammation, and dramatically reduce knee pain while your body rests and repairs itself overnight. Imagine waking up one morning with less stiffness, less discomfort, and more freedom to move without fear. I know that sounds almost too good to be true, but this is real, natural, and backed by science. And it starts with what you put on your plate before you go to sleep. Right now, you have the chance to take control of your joint health and stop letting knee pain dictate your life. Whether you've been struggling for years or just started to notice the discomfort, this simple nightly habit could be a game changer. Before we dive deep into the science and reveal the exact food that can help you, I want you to hit that like button, subscribe to Everlife Plus for more trusted health tips, and share this video with a friend or family member who's battling joint pain. Trust me, they will thank you for it. Remember, knowledge is power, and tonight you can start giving your body what it needs to rebuild and heal. Stay tuned, because the secret to ending knee pain might be simpler than you ever imagined. Knee pain and joint discomfort are some of the most common and frustrating issues faced by people as they age. But pain isn't something you have to simply accept or live with. To effectively address it, you need to understand the underlying reasons why your joints hurt and why that pain tends to get worse if left untreated. Your joints are complex structures made to enable smooth, painless movement. They consist of bones cushioned by cartilage, surrounded by tendons and muscles, and lubricated by synovial fluid. This intricate system works in harmony when healthy, but several factors disrupt it over time. One major factor is natural wear and tear. As you age, the cartilage that cushions your joints gradually thins and loses its elasticity. This reduced cushioning means more friction between bones during movement, which causes pain and stiffness. This process is especially common in the knees, which bear much of your body weight and endure frequent strain. Inflammation also plays a critical role. Chronic inflammation, often fueled by poor diet, obesity, sedentary lifestyle, and other health conditions, can damage cartilage cells and the tissues around joints. Over time, inflammation accelerates cartilage breakdown, increasing pain and limiting mobility. Inactivity or a sedentary lifestyle worsens this problem. When muscles around the knees weaken from lack of use, they provide less support and stability to the joint. Circulation to joint tissues also decreases, which reduces the supply of oxygen and nutrients essential for repair and maintenance. Pain and stiffness often become noticeable during simple daily activities like standing up from a chair, climbing stairs, or walking short distances. For many seniors, these movements can trigger discomfort that restricts their independence and lowers quality of life. Despite these challenges, joint pain isn't an unavoidable part of aging or something you simply have to tolerate. Many believe that slowing down or avoiding movement is the best solution, but this can actually accelerate joint deterioration. Without proper care, mild discomfort can develop into chronic conditions such as osteoarthritis, leading to more severe pain and disability. What many don't realize is that the body is constantly working to heal and regenerate damaged tissues, particularly during sleep. However, if the right nutrients are missing from your diet, and if inflammatory processes are unchecked, the body's repair mechanisms can't keep pace with damage to cartilage and joints. This is why managing joint health isn't only about what you do during the day. It's also about supporting your body's natural recovery processes at night. Eating the right foods before bed can supply essential building blocks for cartilage, repair, and reduce inflammation while you rest. Understanding the causes behind your joint pain is the first step toward finding lasting relief. The next chapter will dive into the scientific explanation of how your joints regenerate during sleep and why specific nutrients play a crucial role in rebuilding cartilage and reducing knee pain fast. When it comes to restoring joint health, understanding your body's natural healing process is crucial. Even if joint pain feels permanent, your body is equipped with powerful mechanisms that work to repair wear and inflammation, especially during the night while you sleep. Sleep isn't just a time for rest. It's when your body activates essential biological processes for cell renewal. During this period, blood flow to tissues increases, meaning more nutrients and healing compounds are delivered to damaged areas, like your joints. One of the most important components for joint health is collagen, the most abundant protein in the body responsible for the structure, strength, and flexibility of cartilage. As we age, natural collagen production decreases, making cartilage regeneration harder. Without enough collagen, wear and tear intensifies, and pain becomes more frequent. Besides collagen, substances like chondroitin and glucosamine are vital for maintaining cartilage integrity. They act as lubricants and help cartilage cells absorb nutrients, keeping your joints flexible and resilient. Another key factor is controlling inflammation. Chronic inflammation in joint tissues releases substances that break down cartilage and increase pain. That's why natural anti-inflammatory foods and compounds like turmeric, ginger, and omega-3 fatty acids are essential for protecting your joints. Recent research suggests consuming these nutrients at strategic times, like before bedtime, can maximize your body's healing effects. Studies from respected institutions like Harvard Medical School show that taking collagen and anti-inflammatory substances at night is linked to reduced morning stiffness, less pain, and improved mobility in people with joint wear. Additionally, during sleep, your body releases anabolic hormones such as growth hormone that stimulate protein synthesis needed for tissue repair. For these processes to work efficiently, your body needs the right nutrients available, which depends heavily on what you eat before bed. If your nighttime diet lacks these essentials, your body struggles to maintain joint health and joint wear accelerates. This is why choosing the right nighttime food might be the secret to transforming your joint health and finally ending knee pain that limits your movement. In the next chapter, we'll reveal the key food that can boost your joint repair as you rest and explain exactly why it works so well. Imagine a simple food that works like a natural repair kit for your joints, helping rebuild cartilage, reduce inflammation, and ease knee pain overnight. This isn't a fad or expensive supplement. It's an accessible, natural option you can easily add to your nightly routine. The secret? Bone broth, a nutrient-dense liquid made by simmering animal bones for hours, extracting vital compounds your joints crave. Bone broth is packed with collagen, the building block for healthy cartilage and connective tissue. When you drink bone broth, your body absorbs collagen peptides that support cartilage regeneration. Amino acids like proline and glycine, essential for synthesizing collagen and repairing damaged joint tissue. Chondroitin and glucosamine, natural compounds shown to reduce joint pain and slow cartilage breakdown. Minerals such as calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, key players in bone density and joint strength. But bone broth isn't just about rebuilding. It also contains natural anti-inflammatory properties, helping reduce the swelling and stiffness that keep you from moving freely. Scientific studies support bone broth's effectiveness. For example, a 2017 clinical trial published in Current Medical Research and Opinion demonstrated that participants who consumed collagen supplements, similar compounds found in bone broth, experienced significant improvements in joint pain and mobility within weeks. Moreover, because bone broth is easily digestible, it's perfect to consume before sleep, providing your body with the building blocks for repair during the prime regeneration window overnight. If bone broth isn't your style, you can create a powerful mix combining natural collagen sources with anti-inflammatory spices like turmeric and black pepper, plus healthy fats such as coconut oil. This combo enhances absorption and accelerates healing. In the next chapter, we'll hear from people who experienced real relief and joint restoration after incorporating these nighttime foods into their routines. Nothing speaks louder than real experiences. Many people just like you have struggled with persistent knee pain, stiffness, and limited mobility, only to discover that a simple change in their nightly diet made all the difference. Take Linda, a 68-year-old retiree who for years endured sharp knee pain every time she stood up or climbed stairs. She believed it was just getting old and didn't expect much relief. Then, after learning about the power of bone broth and incorporating a nightly cup into her routine, she noticed a remarkable shift. Within just 10 days, her knees felt less stiff, and the constant ache began to fade. After a month, she was walking longer distances and even started light exercises she hadn't done in years. Or James, a 72-year-old former athlete whose active lifestyle was slowly overshadowed by joint discomfort. Frustrated with over-the-counter painkillers, he turned to natural nutrition. Adding a homemade gelatine and turmeric mix to his nightly ritual gave him renewed hope. Over several weeks, his morning stiffness eased and his knees regained flexibility, allowing him to enjoy his favorite activities again. These stories aren't unique. Across the globe, people are discovering how targeted nighttime nutrition supports joint regeneration and reduces inflammation. It's not magic, it's science combined with consistency. What's key is that these individuals didn't just rely on supplements or quick fixes. They adopted real, nutrient-rich foods that feed their bodies the building blocks for healing. They paired this with a commitment to healthy habits, understanding that joint repair takes time but yields lasting results. If you're wondering whether this can work for you, remember, your body is designed to heal. It just needs the right tools and conditions. Nighttime is when your body performs its deepest repair work. Giving it the proper fuel can unlock your joint's true potential. Next, we'll explore simple, practical ways to bring these foods into your routine without stress or complication. Now that you understand the power behind this joint rebuilding food, the question is, how do you add it to your daily life without hassle? The good news is, it's simple, quick, and doesn't require fancy ingredients or expensive supplements. One of the most effective options is a natural gelatin mix combined with turmeric and a pinch of black pepper. Gelatin is rich in amino acids that support cartilage repair, while turmeric offers potent anti-inflammatory properties. Black pepper enhances turmeric's absorption in the body. Here's a straightforward recipe to get started. Take 1 tablespoon of natural, unflavored gelatin powder. Add 1 or 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder. Add a pinch of freshly ground black pepper. Mix all into 1 cup of warm water or unsweetened plant-based milk, like almond or oat milk. Stir well until fully dissolved. Drink this mixture about 30 minutes before bedtime. This timing allows your body to absorb the nutrients during the deep restorative sleep phase when tissue regeneration is most active. Be mindful to avoid adding sugar or sweetened flavorings, as sugar can promote inflammation and counteract the healing benefits. If you prefer, bone broth is another excellent choice. Sipping a cup of homemade or high-quality store-bought bone broth at night provides collagen, glucosamine, and essential minerals directly supporting joint health. For those who want a plant-based alternative, a nightly spoonful of mixed seeds, such as chia, flax, and walnuts, can deliver omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants that reduce inflammation and promote cartilage repair. Consistency is key. The healing process takes time. Don't expect overnight miracles, but commit to making this a habit, and over weeks you'll likely notice reduced pain and improved mobility. Along with these foods, staying hydrated and avoiding excessive caffeine or processed foods will enhance the benefits. In the next chapter, we'll explore additional supplements and lifestyle habits that can accelerate your journey to pain-free, healthy joints. While including joint-friendly foods in your nightly routine is essential, pairing them with key supplements and lifestyle habits can significantly accelerate the recovery process. Let's dive into the natural allies your body needs to rebuild cartilage, reduce inflammation, and restore mobility faster. First, vitamin D plays a crucial role in bone and joint health. It supports calcium absorption and modulates the immune system to reduce inflammation. Many adults, especially seniors, have insufficient vitamin D levels, which can worsen joint pain. A simple blood test can check your levels, and a doctor can recommend the right dosage to optimize healing. Magnesium is another mineral that often goes overlooked, but is vital for muscle relaxation and preventing cramps that exacerbate joint discomfort. Magnesium also contributes to the synthesis of proteins necessary for cartilage repair. Foods rich in magnesium include leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and whole grains, but supplementation may be needed if your diet lacks these. Omega-3 fatty acids, commonly found in fish oil, flax seeds, and walnuts, have powerful anti-inflammatory effects. They help reduce joint swelling and stiffness, making movement easier and less painful. Incorporating omega-3s consistently can complement the anti-inflammatory action of turmeric and other nutrients you consume at night. Besides nutrition, gentle morning stretches and low-impact exercises like walking or swimming promote joint flexibility and increase blood flow, which helps nutrients reach damaged tissues. Avoid strenuous or high-impact activities that can worsen wear and tear. It's equally important to avoid foods that sabotage joint health. Excessive sugar, gluten, for sensitive individuals, fried foods and processed snacks can increase systemic inflammation, counteracting your efforts. Opt for a diet rich in whole foods, vegetables, fruits, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Lastly, ensure you get quality sleep every night. Sleep is when your body performs the bulk of its repair work. Creating a relaxing bedtime routine and keeping a consistent sleep schedule can amplify the healing benefits of your nighttime nutrition. By combining these supplements and habits, you create an environment where your joints can regenerate efficiently, reducing pain and improving your overall quality of life. If you've been struggling with knee pain or joint stiffness, it's important to understand that relief and repair are within your reach, and it starts with what you do tonight. The truth is, your body is constantly working to rebuild and restore itself, especially during sleep. By providing it with the right nutrients before bedtime, you give your joints a powerful advantage to heal from daily wear and inflammation. Many people accept joint pain as an inevitable part of aging, but science shows us this doesn't have to be the case. Inflammation, cartilage damage, and pain are often driven by lifestyle factors that can be changed. Adding simple, natural foods to your nighttime routine, such as collagen-rich gelatin or bone broth combined with anti-inflammatory spices, can kickstart the healing process. Remember, this is not a quick fix or a magic pill. It's about consistent, small changes that add up. Pairing the right foods with proper movement, supplementation, and sleep hygiene builds a solid foundation for long-term joint health. Your knees and joints are the pillars of your mobility and independence. The sooner you act, the better you can prevent further deterioration and reclaim a more active, pain-free life. The choice to heal is yours, and it starts with that one nightly habit. If this message resonates with you or someone you know, don't keep it to yourself. Sharing knowledge is a powerful step toward healthier lives for all. While adding the right foods to your nightly routine is crucial, certain supplements and daily habits can significantly boost your joint repair process. Supplements such as vitamin D, magnesium, and omega-3 fatty acids have been extensively studied and shown to reduce inflammation, improve cartilage health, and enhance overall joint function. Vitamin D plays a key role in calcium absorption and bone metabolism, helping maintain strong bones that support healthy joints. Many adults, especially seniors, have insufficient vitamin D levels, which can worsen joint discomfort and bone fragility. Magnesium works synergistically with vitamin D to promote muscle relaxation and reduce cramps, easing joint pain indirectly by supporting surrounding muscles. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fish oil and certain plant oils are powerful natural anti-inflammatories that help lower joint swelling and stiffness. Studies indicate that regular omega-3 intake can reduce morning stiffness and improve mobility in people with osteoarthritis. In addition to supplementation, daily habits matter. Incorporating gentle stretching or light morning exercises can maintain flexibility and joint lubrication, preventing stiffness. Hydration is also essential. Water helps transport nutrients to joint tissues and flush out toxins that can contribute to inflammation. On the other hand, avoiding or minimizing inflammatory foods is equally important. High sugar intake, processed foods, excessive gluten, and fried items can trigger chronic inflammation, slowing the repair process and increasing joint pain. Balancing nutritious food, targeted supplements, and physical activity creates a comprehensive approach to joint health. Over time, these combined efforts can accelerate healing and reduce discomfort, enabling you to enjoy a more active, pain-free lifestyle. Now that you've learned about the simple, science-backed food to eat every night and the supplements and habits that can speed up your joint recovery, it's time to take control of your knee pain and joint health. Remember, you don't have to accept joint discomfort as an inevitable part of aging. Your body has a remarkable ability to heal and regenerate, especially when you give it the right tools. By making this small change to your evening routine, combined with healthy habits like gentle exercise, proper hydration, and targeted supplements, you're setting yourself up for stronger, more flexible joints and less pain. Many seniors have already experienced dramatic improvements by simply adding this natural food to their nighttime routine. Increased mobility, less stiffness, and more energy to enjoy daily activities are well within your reach. If you found this information valuable, don't keep it to yourself. Share this video with someone you know who struggles with knee or joint pain. Together, you can take the first step toward healing and better quality of life. Leave a comment below. Which joint pain are you most ready to overcome? Your story might inspire others in this community. And make sure to subscribe to Everlife Plus for more trusted science-based tips on healthy aging and living pain-free. Your journey to stronger joints starts now. Take action today.